President Emmerson Mnangagwa has admitted that Zimbabwe is facing deep economic crisis, but once again placed the blame on the Western sanctions, sidestepping accusations that his administration's mismanagement and corruption have driven the country into turmoil. Sadapita mashoko kudanyi kwachinzi weekend eat speeches, angry Harare residents chose Mnangagwa not to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina mzimai kudanyi kwamchinzi speaking at the Sadc Anti-Sanctions Day commemorations held at the Heritage Village in Harare on Saturday. Mnangagwa painted a bleak picture of the economy, but insisted that so-called illegal heinous sanctions were to blame for the nation's suffering. In quotes, we are facing head-on challenges and shocks such as these illegal heinous sanctions, climate change-induced droughts, and other public health emergencies, he said. The president urged citizens to remain resilient, saying, Zimbabweans must continue to be masters of our own destiny, while acknowledging the economic hardships faced by ordinary citizens. Mnangagwa claimed that the country's great walls remain strong, and that the House of Stone will never be breached. Critics, however, dismissed his remarks as detached from reality, noting that millions of Zimbabweans can no longer afford basic goods amid soaring prices and collapsing currency. The flame of our independence, freedom, and sovereignty burns brighter, Mnangagwa said, through unity of purpose, peace, focus, hard work, honesty, work, resilience, and innovative pursuits. Any obstacle, in whatever form, can be overcome. His comments come at a time when inflation continues to spiral, unemployment remains widespread, and the public services are deteriorating. Opposition figures and economic analysts argue that the government's fixation on sanctions is a convenient excuse to avoid accountability for years of policy failures. Despite the effects of illegal sanctions, our national economy has been on a positive growth trajectory, Mnangagwa claimed, pointing to what he described as increases in foreign currency earnings and resilience in key sectors such as mining and manufacturing. He insisted that Zimbabwe remains on track to achieve Vision 2030, the government's plan to transform the nation into an empowered and prosperous upper middle income society. Thomas Wantwa ni mtungamiri wenyika, ma critics panguva ino achiti aiwa ma speeches panguva ino haasi kungotipa chokudya, ngavasolve ma economic issues, nyika iendere mberi zvifambe. Pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu vari kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.